Hi, I have an unboxing for you. You know, and I wasn't going to do it because I'm like super swamped these days with just like, I don't know, life and work and life and work. And we have like 3 weeks of summer, not even, like 18 days left or something like that. Anyway, so I've just been swamped and I'm like, I owe you 2 unboxings and all this other stuff. And then I realized that while I was like waiting on the unboxings, my poor husband can't have his stuff either because he had it shipped with my stuff. He'll probably pay extra in the future to get it shipped separate. But anyways, look at this. Ta-da! You may remember that I went up to Filson rather, when I was in Seattle, like, I don't know, 3 or 4 months ago. Posted a bunch of photos on Instagram, whatever. I was kind of interested in the Filson suede hobo. And didn't get it because I kind of put it on, liked it, thought it was really cute, but then thought, well, it's kind of similar to some of my other bags, which I know my husband's like over there rolling his eyes because he's at a point where he's like, all your bags are identical. You have 20 bags, 20 styles of each bag. He obviously has no idea what he's talking about. But anyways, I got this, and I don't have hardly any dust bags. I think like the only person that I know that sends them with it is like Colonel Littleton. So I'm super excited that it comes with a dust bag, and I'm excited that it's not white because I wouldn't want it to get dirty. But so anyways, it's really cute. Like, look, super sturdy. This bag I had my eye on. There's a couple of things I've like definitely had my eye on at Filson, but they were, you know, they were a little pricey, and then they had this crazy insane sale. So this bag was originally, I want to say like $8.25, something like that. I mean, it wasn't cheap. And on the recent sale, it went down to $2.99, $2.90, something like that. And I was like, you know what? The gods obviously want me to have it. Oh, it is so stinking cute. Look at that. Wow. So you know, it's interesting. I saw overwhelmingly positive 5-star reviews. And some of the things that I saw that weren't like so positive were that there was wrinkling, and on the side that I'm looking at, let me do this for you, there is wrinkling. I won't lie to you. This part of it's really smooth. There's wrinkling here, but you kind of think how it was sent, right? It was kind of just sent in this bag, and honestly, over time, it'll wrinkle anyway. Same thing here. You can see there's like a lot of wrinkling. Does it bother me? I don't think that it bothers me. I feel like in a week or 2 weeks after using it, it'll be all wrinkled anyways, just for my own personal use. So I don't think that bothers me at all. This leather is really interesting. It's not waterproof, it's weatherproof. And when I read the description about it, I really like the bag, to be honest with you. When I read the description, weatherproof, what it said essentially was that whatever it is that they do to the leather to make it like impervious to water, it's not just sitting on the leather, it's all the way through the leather, and that's why I think it's weatherproof, not waterproof. And they were also saying that it's like boot grade leather, so to me I think that reads like extra tough. So let me pull all this out. I just want to see what the lineup is. There's a pocket right here, which is obviously a nice phone pocket, and then I believe there's like 2 interior pockets. Let's take a peek. Oh, this is nice. I think this is bridal leather, if I'm not mistaken. I think that's what I remember. This feels heavy to me, like it might be brass as opposed to like brass plated. Anyways, nice shoulder strap, and it's got D-rings on the sides here, so it lays down. A little more. Let's take a peek. Okay, there's a zipper pocket. It's lined, and then there's a zipper pocket on this interior, and then there's a divided, not zippered pocket on this. One of the few bags that I own, I think that's, this is cute too. Check this out, the zipper pull. And I like this. But anyways, I think it's adorable. I can't back up too much because I'm totally wearing pajamas. So anyways, I think it's adorable. It's a keeper. I think you can't beat it with a stick for the price. And I just want to show you guys, maybe you can see it better, like the wrinkling here, and the wrinkling here. I think it's more just something to be aware of. It's leather, right? It's not plastic, so there's going to be some wear and tear. It's a really cute size too. Somebody was saying like, oh, is it like carry-on like duffel size? And I don't think it is. To me, it's like everyday carry handbag size, but it's very cute. And then I'll show you what my husband got, which probably is going to annoy him because he's very like not into the camera thing, even though he's not going to be on the camera. I'm just going to show you what he got. He got this ultra light quilted jacket. It's cute, and I think it was like, it wasn't a ton on sale, but I think it was like $100 off. It got a ton of reviews, a ton of 5-star reviews for being super lightweight but really warm, and then also washable. So if anyone has any questions about that thing, let me know. He won't come on camera, but I'll answer them for you. Anyways, here it is in all its glory. It's pretty lightweight too. I mean, not super lightweight, like I don't feel like the leather's thin, but it's not like ultra heavy either. Anyways, if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I will try it out and I'll get back to you. Thanks for your patience. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.